This noodle soup always cheers me up, especially after coming back home during a rainy day. It's so quick to make and tastes amazing. In this video, I also have this soup with some homemade side dishes that I have featured in the channel. I hope you'll make this one and hopefully it'll cheer you up. The ingredients are 3 medium-sized pork bones, homemade dumplings and pork meatballs, homemade kimchi, bean sprouts, noodles, a ginger, a carrot, a Chinese turnip, some spring onions, an onion, a garlic and 3 red shallots. Here's the list. First, just prepare some garlics by peeling the skins off, and this is how I normally peel the garlic skin if I don't want to keep its cloves whole. I pound them so it's easier for me to take it off this way. Then mince them into small pieces. Small is much better, or you can just use a blender to blend them. Something with red shallots, just peel the skin off, then mince them like you can see in this video. Then it's time to prepare ginger by peeling the skin off using a tablespoon. This is the easy way of taking the skin off from ginger. Then slice it into thin layer. For spring onion, cut them in half, then again in half horizontally. And actually, if you use a blender instead of mincing garlics, you can always blend garlics, red shallots and ginger all together. For the Chinese turnip, just peel the skin off, then do it like me in this video for the beautiful result. But make sure that you cut the Chinese turnip a bit thick. It's the same process with carrot. Prepping the onions by peeling the skin off, then cut it into 2 pieces. Now it's time for cooking. Put the heat on, then pour a bit of cooking oil in, then your sliced gingers in. Chop red shallots in. Saute it for a bit. then put chopped garlics in. Saute it again for a bit. Then put your pork bones in. Saute them together, but I put a bit of water in so it doesn't burn. Then you can season it with 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of seasoning powder. Mix it well together. In this step, you can actually put all of the seasonings in, such as oyster sauce, soy sauce, or any spices that you like to include in the soup that make up to your taste. And after putting some water, I season more with a tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, mix them well, then put the onions in. Then water. I used 4 cups of water in here, but you are welcome to use any amounts of water. Make sure that you adjust the amounts of seasoning that goes in as well. After that, put the soup to boil, then put the prepared carrot and daikon radish into the pot. Put it to boil again. You can see here that I put 1 more tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce in. You can do this in earlier step. Simmer it down, then it's time to cook our side dishes. I have homemade pork dumplings. You can find the recipe through the link up here. Then put homemade pork meatballs in. The recipe can be found through the link up here. Keep them there until they're all cooked. Then drain them from the soup. After that, it's time to cook our dry noodles. Actually, these round noodles are more suitable for stir fry than this soup, but this is the only dry noodles that I have at home, so I use it here. Drain it from the soup. So our soup is done. Let's plate the noodle soup. With sprouts first, so it can be a bit cooked by the warm broth. Our cooked noodles in. Then the broth accompanied by flower-like carrots and Chinese turnips. Then put the dumplings and meatballs in. Put our homemade kimchi in. Then bean sprouts again. With a spring onions on top of it, then it's good to go. So this while it's warm, you'll love it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video and the recipe. Please like, subscribe and share. See you in the next video.